You are driving your diesel rig, and suddenly you see black smoke pouring out the exhaust, and your fuel mileage drops like a rock. If you plug in a scanner and see code P2064, you are dealing with a reductant regeneration supply control circuit high issue. This sounds complicated, but it is all about the diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, system. Modern diesels like the Dodge Ram, Mercedes Sprinter, or Volkswagen use this system to clean up emissions. The code means the powertrain control module has detected that the voltage going to the DEF supply pump is too hot. This pump is responsible for pressurizing the fluid so it can be injected into the exhaust to burn off soot. When the voltage is out of whack, the pump cannot do its job, the system stops regenerating, and your filter gets clogged. That explains the black smoke and the loss of power. If you ignore this, the computer might eventually speed limit the truck or prevent it from starting until it is fixed. To troubleshoot this, you need to start with the basics. Check the wiring harness around the DEF tank and pump. These are located under the vehicle and are exposed to road debris, water, and salt. Look for any wires that have rubbed through or connectors that are green with corrosion. If the visual check passes, you need a digital multimeter and a service manual for your specific truck to find the pinout chart. You are checking for a short to power, meaning a wire carrying voltage is touching the control wire. You will also want to test the resistance of the supply pump itself to see if it has failed internally. If you have a fancy scanner, try to command the pump to turn on manually and watch the voltage data. If the pump is fine and the wiring is good, the issue might be the DEF controller or the main computer, but that is rare. Usually it is a bad pump or a damaged wire. Since this system affects your emissions compliance, if you cannot find a broken wire, it is best to get a diesel specialist to look at it before you ruin your particulate filter.